hand so small, its trembling flame a beacon for all. Each step echoes something deep inside, a search for meaning time cannot hide. The world grows wider in the shadowed light as hope unfolds within the night. Ancient whispers circle through the air, traditions teaching how a soul can care. A path revealed in the gentle shine, a link between the human and the divine. A single flame can open up the way, guiding thoughts that wander through the day. And in the glow